Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean shoes with toothpaste. This is an easy way to make your shoes look brand new again. Let's get right into the video tutorial. As you can see, I have a pair of shoes right here and they're pretty dirty, okay? I'm gonna clean them with toothpaste. So what you need is obviously a cleaning toothbrush. So this is a toothbrush that I specifically use just for cleaning things. It serves no purpose in my household other than cleaning things around the house. You're gonna need some toothpaste that I have here, and you're gonna need either a cup of water or some access to water. I just have water on a paper towel right here. So you wanna wet your toothbrush, okay? And then you wanna get some toothpaste. Put some toothpaste on the toothbrush, just like that, okay? What you're gonna do is then you are going to take, and pay attention to how the shoe looks right now. Take your toothpaste on your toothbrush, and you're gonna start scrubbing the area. And we're gonna see how clean it makes it. It's actually incredible how quickly this method cleans the shoe, okay? So scrub the area with the toothpaste and the toothbrush, okay? You can already see it's starting to make a difference right there. Now, some of the stains that you can see down here go into like almost like the wrinkle of the shoe. So that's gonna require a little bit more scrubbing, all right? And obviously, you know, if you have a cup of water nearby, you're gonna wanna clean your toothbrush relatively often because as you can see, it's already getting pretty dirty, but it's not really necessary. You can really use this toothbrush to scrub the entire shoe because when you wipe it down, you're gonna be removing the dirt anyways. What we can do now is we can get more toothpaste. You're gonna need a good amount if you wanna clean a shoe that's this dirty. I'm actually gonna put this toothpaste right onto the shoe like that. Just as you can see right over there, okay? Let's put the cap back on the toothpaste. And we're gonna now continue scrubbing, but you'll notice that on this specific shoe, I can actually scrub the rubber sole, okay? The rubber bottom part, but I can also use it to clean the actual cloth part of the shoe. So I can use it to clean the cloth part right there. Now I probably put a little too much toothpaste on there, but it's totally fine. If you wanna speed up the process, you know, go a little bit faster. And then when you're done, once you've sort of spread that toothpaste everywhere and you've scrubbed as much as you want to scrub, you can then rinse it off. Now you can use a rinsing technique with, you know, like with water. You can put water right on the shoe. It's probably not going to be a problem for the most part, considering you're putting toothpaste on it right now. Or you can just wipe it down. I like to usually get potentially a cup with water and then, you know, get the toothbrush, clean the toothbrush off, and then use the toothbrush with water to sort of scrub everything. I don't have the luxury right now to do that, but I do have my handy dandy water-filled paper towel, and I can use this to simply wipe down the shoe. So as you can see right here, I'm wiping the shoe down, and basically the last part would just be wiping off the toothpaste. Now obviously on the cloth part, it's gonna take a lot more water to get that toothpaste out. But when it's done, okay, I'll show you right now, you can see the difference already. When it's done, the shoe is actually much, much cleaner. And it was really quick. I mean, to do both shoes fully wouldn't take me that long. I mean, probably a half an hour, let's say. But if you do this well enough and you really scrub and you really use a decent amount of toothpaste, then you can actually make the shoes look brand new again. So as you can see, this is the area that I worked on, okay? Compare it to this. Look at the difference in coloration. Look at that compared to this, okay? It looks almost brand new again. Let's get my other shoe. They would be basically the same level of dirtiness. You can see totally different. And like I said, over here, the cloth would need a bit more water. I mean, I would probably have to rinse out the towel and then do it again, but you get the idea. You're basically rinsing the toothpaste off of the shoe and out of the shoe, okay? Now also, be sure to check what kind of material your shoe uses. Maybe on the inside of it, because you know, like I said, on this shoe, it's fine to use the toothpaste, but you want to make sure that the material that your shoe is made from, it will cooperate with the toothpaste and that the toothpaste isn't going to make it look different than how it's supposed to look, basically, or react differently. But as you can see, like I cleaned the shoe easily using toothpaste. It worked really, really well, and that's basically it. It basically will look brand new again, very, very close to brand new again once I'm finished with the process. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.